Hello everyone. So in today's video, I will be giving you guys a comparison between Asana and Trello, and which is better for project management. So in my opinion, I currently use Trello, and I think that it is a great app and has a very user-friendly interface, and it is very simple. And please keep in mind that they're both for personal use and for collaboration between people and even across teams, and are two of the most popular apps for project management. So please keep in mind that Trello and Asana both do the same thing. Basically, they help manage your projects, and but they go about it differently. When it comes down to it, Trello is a Kanban tool, and is everything else is gravy. And Asana is a more traditional project. I can show you an example of Trello that is here. You can see that Trello is a very laid back application, providing a more safer, what do you want to say, more easier and more friendlier user interface. While on the other hand, your Asana is a more professional project management tool and provides a more professional user interface. So one gives you one is a Kanban tool, and the management app that's a bit better suited for the team projects. And Asana is best for small to large teams that wish to or want to build projects of templates. So basically, let me give you a small preview to save your time. Trello is a laid back app that gives you a more user friendly interface, while Asana is a more professional based app that helps small and large teams communicate between each other and gives them a variety of templates and a list style view, etc., etc. So if you are working in a company, I will give you the suggestion of Asana over Trello. And if you're doing freelancing or just planning your day out, then Trello is more easier because it has a more user friendly interface and is very simpler compared to Asana. So yeah, that's pretty much it. That's a whole comparison. That's all from my side. Bye bye.